Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Banglama. Today I will be showing you how to cook chicken wings without any added oil, and to improve appetite of children, we just display the food nicely. So let's get started. First of all, I'm using salad master skillet. So on that salad master skillet, I will not be using any oil, so it doesn't need any oil. The oil will come from the chicken itself. So as you can see, I've just wiped it because there was water there. So I've directly, without any spice or anything, I've added the chicken wings. And this is electric skillet, so I will leave it into a medium heat, 180, and until one side is done. Once one side is done, so I'll just check. The oil has come from the skin of the chicken wings. So I have here 1 kilo of chicken wings with skin. So the oil, you can see, is coming from the skin. Once one side is done, we turn it over until the other side of the chickens also fries. The reason for using salad master product or pans and pots or skillet is that it's healthy, and anyone who is doing keto diet, who is not adding carbohydrate on their diet, this is chicken or meat is easier to cook. And we're not adding any salt either, because the salt comes from chicken itself. So the original salt and original oil comes out, because basically we need the oil for the pans. So that has cooked. For sauce, I'm not using any oil either. So I have here a tamarind, and I will add tamarind paste also. That tamarind gives that hot wings tangy flavor. And I have added pepper, ground pepper, and some chili flakes. These wings taste better than the shop bought. So I have added tamarind and some tamarind sauce. How much chili flake you add is up to your own taste, because I'm cooking this at medium strength. So I have added a tablespoon full of chili powder. Here goes some garam masala and some chili powder. Now I will cook the fried chicken wings into this sauce for about 10-15 minutes. And after that, it looks like this. So to complement my chicken wings, I am steaming some vegetables. So I'm not using any water. So in a salad master small pan, I am going to steam this frozen vegetable. The water is going to come from the frozen vegetable and cook itself. 5 minutes, that's done. And here is my chicken wings. This is all done. Just so the children, to make the appetite, the food looks better, then they eat it. So I have just decorated. I have added bowl of rice to include in their diet. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipes, Banglama recipes, with bell icon on so you get notification every time I upload a video. And do like, share with your friends and family, and please comment your opinion. Also, if you could visit my channel and browse all my recipes, there are some recipes with salad master without oil or salt, a vegetable omelette you can find on my channel, and other recipes. Also, please do visit my Facebook page, because during the lockdown, a lot of us has put on weight, and some of us are facing mental health issues. So I will be covering on my upcoming videos on my page. Thank you for your support. Assalamu alaikum.